Good day everyone. I am Gabriel Eva Navides of Public Administration Section 11, presenting about global citizenship. What is global citizenship? According to Oxfam, global citizenship is all about encouraging young people to develop the knowledge, skills, and values they needed to engage with the world. And it's about the belief that we can all make a difference. A global citizen is someone who is aware of and understands the wider world and their place in it. They take an active role in their community and work with others to make our planet more peaceful and sustainable. In my understanding, global citizen is someone who is able to see himself as a citizen of another country, not just his country, able to accept his own culture, beliefs, and values, and at the same time, give respect and understand the others. The person who can see the equality of everyone, no matter what country they came from. Someone who can see the other race as a family. Global citizenship nurtures personal respect and respect for others wherever they live. It encourages individuals to think deeply and critically about what is equitable and just, and what will minimize harm to our planet. Exploring global citizenship, teams help learners grow more confident in standing up for their beliefs, and more skilled in evaluating the ethics and impact for their decisions. We all know that our world faces many issues, such as racism, war, climate change, human rights abuses, and etc. They are often rooted in cultural misunderstanding and disagreement due to different viewpoints of the world. Global citizenship is important because it will change the world and give us peace. We can stop the mess, but with its help, we can avoid and reduce it. In order to achieve the global peace we desire, we must understand, accept, and respect each other. Global citizenship will bring peace so that our world will be in order and better. Build their own understanding of world events. The person can be better understand what is going on around him. It makes them more active and have an insight into what is happening around the world. Take learning into the real world. They will be more aware of reality, and they will keep up with the flow of what is currently happening around the world. Get involved in their local, national, and global communities. They will have more courage to socialize with other people. It will make it easier for them to respect and understand the different cultures of the person they meet. Develop an argument and voice for their opinions. No longer afraid to speak up if there is a problem. There will be confidence and courage to fight for their opinions and thought. See that they have power to act and influence the world around them. There will be courage to show everyone whatever talent he has, that he can change and influence everyone in the world in whatever he does.